Hi everybody, it's Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz, business immigration attorney. Welcome to today's video. It's gonna be short and I wanna give you the exact update when it comes to US embassies and reopening and resumption of routine visa services, because this is the update posted on April 1st, 2021. And I made a video yesterday. In fact, I made two videos I just uploaded regarding the expiration of Proclamation 152, which was the visa ban concerning L visa, H visa, J1 visas. Many of you have questions. And so we are going to talk about in this video what can you expect when it comes to US embassies reopening. Some of you are actually commenting that you are frustrated and annoyed that this is taking way too long, which I totally understand. So let's talk about the updates, guys. So yeah, the great news is that obviously the visa ban is gone. However, I do want to emphasize that there are still some travel bans on, if you will. And specifically, I'm talking about that EU travel ban, basically the travel ban that is banning people to enter United States if you are from EU, if you are from UK, if you're from Ireland, if you're from South Africa, if you're from China, and I believe from Iran as well. And so for those who are from these countries, or you spend at least 14 days in those countries, you are not able to enter US. However, if you, for example, go to different country, quarantine 14 days, and you enter from there, you might be able to enter. So just to emphasize that there are still some restrictions in place. However, I want to focus on phased resumption of routine visa services because this is the post updated on April 1st, 2021. And you can even read it yourself. However, what I do want to focus on here is that, again, they're talking about that they are not able to provide specific date for when each mission will resume specific visa services because they are basically taking into consideration local conditions. And this is something I've been talking about. Nothing new, right? Just so you guys can understand what's going on. And this is obviously official statement. So let's talk about Q&A, frequently asked questions. Specifically, here it is. Posts that process immigrant visa applications will prioritize immediate relative family members of US citizens, fiancés visas, or obviously these are situation of the K visa, right? As well as certain special immigrant visa applications. Posts processing non-immigrant visa applications will continue to prioritize travelers with urgent travel needs, foreign diplomats, and certain mission-critical categories of travelers, such as those coming to assist with the U.S. response to pandemic, followed by students, F1, M1, and certain J1, and temporary employment visas. We expect the volume and type of visa cases each post will process to depend on local circumstances. So let's break this down because still you guys have questions and I totally understand. So this first sentence says post that process immigrant visa application. This actually means that, again, if you are being impacted by, for example, the EU travel ban proclamation 10143, or you are from countries like EU, UK, Ireland, Brazil, South Africa, China, and so on, guess what? Your embassies are not processing immigrant visa or non-immigrant visa cases yet, due to these geographic locations and due to the fact that these travel bans are still in place. However, if you are from other countries that are not being impacted by these geographic location bans, then your US embassies will start resuming these visa services in this order. First, it's going to be focused on immediate relative members of US citizens, then fiancé visa, then special immigrant visa applications. Now, what this actually means, that how, like, where is it defined? What does it mean, special immigrant visa applications? That is a little bit questionable here. Because I guess it depends on the visa category. Somebody asked me if the EB1 priority the EB1/EB2 or EB3, which of these three will go faster? I don't know. I guess it depends. It depends on what job, what sector you work in, because as you can read, especially those who are actually working in those mission critical categories, right, or sectors, they will be given priority. So I guess it really depends on your circumstances, what kind of job you have, if we're talking about employment-based categories. So that's that. So again, like in the order of immediate relative of US citizens, then fiancé visas, and then special immigrant visa applications. And then the rest of immigrant visa applications, and only then non-immigrant visa applications. And within the non-immigrant visa applications, they will really focus on those who have a certain mission critical to, again, a response to the pandemic, right? And then followed by students and some temporary employment visas, but it is not more defined. So again, what you need to do is really contact first your US embassy before you even schedule your interview and pay the fee. Definitely contact the US embassy. And my opinion is that, there's going to be a significant wait time, especially for those who want to get their brand new visas. And for example, if you've never been in the US before, it's just gonna be a little bit tough for you the upcoming months. Now, for those who are renewing their visas, you can still apply for renewal and you don't have to even attend the visa interview. But again, everything, I guess, depends individually on your circumstances. And for those who are wondering if they can fly to US, if they can even apply for tourist visa, guys, like tourist visa right now, it's not something that is a priority, right? So chances are that you won't be able to schedule your tourist visa unless there is a medical reason why you have to travel. And in that case, absolutely, you will, and you can schedule your interview, because again, we're talking about medical reason, which would be the emergency appointment. So what else do you need to know? What criteria are missions using to determine when to resume routine services? We are closely monitoring local conditions in each country where they have the US embassies, local conditions that might affect when we can begin providing various public services include a medical infrastructure, COVID-19 cases, emergency response capabilities, and restrictions on leaving home. So this depends on your country, right? And so keep that in mind, because obviously what I want to ensure, they want to make sure that they're safe, right? Staff of the US Embassy, consulate is actually safe. So everything depends on local conditions. Do the various presidential proclamations travel restrictions still apply, or are those lifting with the resumption of visa services? So as I mentioned, the Proclamation 152 just expired, and the 3 geographic COVID-19 proclamations are still in effect, which is specifically Proclamation 1143, Proclamation 9984, and 9992. Is my situation an emergency? I need to go to the US immediately. Applicants can find instructions on how to request emergency appointment at the US Embassy or Consulate website. Now, guys, yes, you can request emergency visa appointment if you do have evidence, if there is a valid reason for it. If you need help with that, you're welcome to book a consultation with us, with me. The link is going to be below this video in description. People often ask me if they can expedite their request, if they can request national interest exception, especially for those who are still being impacted by those proclamations that I just mentioned, the geographic COVID-19 proclamations. You can, the fact that there is a proclamation in place, you can still request national interest exception if you qualify. So some of you might be able to apply for that. If you need help, you are welcome to reach out. Now, for those who already paid the fee and you are not able to attend your visa interview, here it is actually. Department extends validity of the fees until September 30th, 2022. Okay, so if you were not able to schedule your visa appointment due to the suspension of the regular routine operation, you will be able to do so. Again, it's valid until September 30th, 2022. So pretty much these are the news, guys. I mean, I really hope that things start moving because so many of you are stuck and I feel for you. Trust me, I do. If you have any comments, any questions, you're welcome to leave your comments below in description. I mean, sorry, not in description, in the comment section. And yeah, if you are new to my channel and you like this channel, do subscribe, support this channel, and stay tuned for my updates. And have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.